Okay. So I kind of had to set up an asynchronous assignment for class 8B6 because they're going to come in next period and I'm teaching 2 other classes. So I won't have time to focus on them. So I don't really want to do something different. The first thing is you are going to have a quick mini quiz on Wednesday. Actually, this is pretty much all you're going to do Wednesday because, again, you guys are ahead. So you're going to have like a 10-person quiz on immigration. So I want to mention that because if you finish this assignment early, you should study for that quiz, which can be found, the little study guide can be found right at the bottom here. But what you're doing is you are going to go to the Google Doc, as I am doing, and then you're going to take a virtual tour of Ellis Island. And again, I think if we were in school, this could maybe be a field trip that we kind of take. You'll notice that you're going to go through the stops of how it went through Ellis Island. So we had seen a little bit of a video on this, so I know you're a little bit familiar, but this is going to now go into greater detail. So if you were an immigrant, you did come into Ellis Island, what would it look like? Okay, so you can click on this thing here. You're just going to follow the steps, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so obviously you arrive at number 1. The first stop, you go through the passage. Try and read. Most of the answers will come from the main reading, but there's some that will be found like on the right here. So sometimes you have to click like learn more, okay? Or click here, sometimes learn more. So make sure you're clicking on everything. If you don't find the answer in the direct reading, you're going to have to go to the sides here. So just keep that in mind as you go through this particular assignment. You'll have the whole period to work on it. Some questions are just, one-sentence answers. Some are one-word answers. It should be pretty quick. All right. So that's it. I'll be here if you need help, but this should be something that you do on your own. And again, if you finish early, you're just going to start studying for your quiz on Wednesday. I don't see you guys tomorrow, Tuesday, so you have a day off from social studies, but I will definitely see you on Wednesday before we go into Thanksgiving. All right. I'm here if you need me.
Mr. Paniel.
What's that?
Do we with the Google Doc, do we put a separate one in the? We just attach that Google Doc.
Hi, Manuel. This is Miss S from
no.
the teacher.
You just need to what's it called, Onion? You just need to do it on the same Google Doc just to keep it nice and simple. You could just write the answers right after. So you don't need to do a separate Google Doc. That's unnecessary. If you wanted to, you could, but you don't have to.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.